barbecue is showing up a lot more than it used to, and that's for sure. I just feel like a lot of people who are doing barbecue nowadays are really honing in on the old school idea of barbecue simple. It's time and heat and smoke. People are really grabbing that idea and producing really great product. Sugar plays a pretty big role in barbecue sauce, and it also depends on where you are that you'll get a certain type of barbecue sauce. But in Texas, sugar is pretty important in barbecue sauce because most of the cuts of meat that are used in barbecue are very fatty. So you have fat and you have sugar, you have a delicious plate. And the type of sugar that you use you can vary really depending on what kind of sauce you want to make. Like the barbecue sauce that I made today, I chose to use Domino dark brown sugar because it has a molasses kind of flavor to it. So that adds a nice deep richness to the Chipotle grapefruit barbecue sauce.